Hello Amitabh, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor, presenting a personal video for you for this beautiful 2012 Lexus RX350 and gray color. We do have in the stock at the moment. We just got this unit. It's been fully safety certified. They've been put brand new tires, brand new brakes. The Carfax is very clean, and also kilometers, it's 110 for 427 kilometers, and the price is $19,988 plus HST and licensing. As I said, this vehicle I do have in the stock. They just came for our showroom and is ready for sale. Leather interior, and also you have a sunroof, nice screen in there, good space on the trunk, and as I said, this is available for you. Please give me a call. I will set an appointment for you to come to take a look. And if you like the vehicle, see we can put the deal together. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us.